If you want to start freelancing, but you don't know how to reply to clients, or how to write proposals, or how to look professional, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you one free tool that can make freelancing much easier for beginners. And that tool is ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will not do the work for you, but it can make your work faster, easier, and more professional. Let's start with the first thing: client replies. A lot of beginners don't know how to respond to clients properly. They either sound too casual, too short, or not confident enough. ChatGPT can help you write clean and professional replies. You can ask it to write a response for a client message, and then you can edit it in your own style. But here's an important tip: never copy and paste everything exactly. Always change a few lines so it sounds more natural and more personal. The second thing is proposals. In freelancing, proposals are extremely important. A good proposal can help you get noticed. A weak proposal can get ignored. If you don't know what to write, ChatGPT gives you a great starting point. You can ask it to create a simple proposal, then add the client's name, the project details, and a personal touch. That makes your proposal look much better.